Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will see MCS 202 fourth number question A part, which is explain different components of the execution unit of the 8086 microprocessor. Compute the physical address for the following segment register offset pairs in a same microprocessor. Okay, so there are the three given, which is the CS colon IP is given here, and there are the mainly three given here. Okay, so you can see this. So, but if you want solutions of all of the questions of this assignment MCS 202, or if you want solutions of any other assignments also, so you can simply contact us on WhatsApp at this given number, because we are providing all type of solutions of any assignment which you are doing. So if you want to complete paid assignments, just drop a message on WhatsApp and we will contact you after receiving a message. So thank you guys for watching this video.